are you today? Lucia here from Laughing Without an Accent. I hope you're doing amazing. Thank you so much for joining me on another video. Today I have a brand new box to our channel. It's not new, I'm sure you've heard about it. This is Fashom and it's a styling service, and it is not a subscription. It says no subscription, and first styling session is free, and you can preview and choose your 5 pieces. You get 25% off for keeping 3 to 4 pieces and 30% off if you keep all 5. And you get styled personally by human beings, not algorithms. And it says for every box sold, we donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City. And I believe that all the clothes that they send you are sustainable clothing as well. So, and I think the styling fee after the first time is $15 or $20. Okay, so let's get into it. I am collaborating with them. They reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to do an unboxing. I'm also going to be doing an unboxing on my Facebook. So stay tuned for that. If you don't follow me on Laughing With an Accent, I might be doing it from my personal Facebook maybe. I don't know. I'll find out. But can't wait to see. So they did send me like 7 pieces, 7 options, and I chose 5. So when you open it up, it says hello beautiful. We have an envelope, and then there's a mailing for like a mailing packet or baggie to send your stuff, whatever you don't keep. And then it comes wrapped like this, super pretty. The subtotal would be $212. If I keep everything 30% off, it will be $148.40, and I do have a $50 credit. So we'll see, but I can't wait to show you. I love showing you guys everything. So this is by White Birch. It's like a cozy sweater. Ooh, wait, look at this. Oh my gosh, I like this. I like that. And the sleeves have a detail too. They're more like ribbed, and there's also some ribbing here. Ooh, I like this. I don't know if it'll be long enough to wear with leggings, but I do like that. And yes, I just love this detail. So let me see how much this is. I'll just tell you everything. White Birch Dawson sweater with elbow patch is $39. $29.25 if you get the 25% off, or $27.30 if you get the 30% off, which I think is a very reasonable price considering all other prices we've seen in other styling services. I think this is like a cardigan. Oh yes, it's like a very simple cardigan. I think it's 3/4 sleeve, and it has pockets here. This one is the Kristen Carroll Charlie Long cardigan. Is $45. At 30% off is $31.50. At 25 is $33.75. So that's not bad at all. Okay, then, ooh, this is so pretty. This is one of the items I was excited. This is Natural Life. I love this brand. They have all kinds of things. They have stationery, home decor. They have everything. And this is like a rust or burnt orange top. Okay, so this is beautiful. I'm gonna go close so you can see the material, and it has a round bottom, so this will be really nice with jeans. Okay, so this one is $45, and then $31.50 or $33.75. So this is a Lily intermingled brush top. Ooh, I remember this one. I did choose I remember like being one of the 7 options, and I was like, I like it. So this one has very similar, if not the same material as the Natural Life top, and it has the sleeves are animal print. Very pretty. So this one is $48 or $33.60 or $36. This is the Zenobia Noli pointy pants. I think I chose this because of these pockets. I like the zipper pockets. I have something like this, actually more like a jogger, but these look a little more dressy, I hope. They are kind of like those pajama jeans, not pajama jeans, but jegging kind of thing. It is stretchy, and it has a line, so maybe that's what makes it a little more dressy, that it has a line. Sorry, but I don't know if you can see in the middle, so it kind of makes it like a dressy pant. Yeah, it's pretty, and this would go well with all the tops that they sent me, so that is a very good, like, you know, pairing up. Right off the bat, they're all keepers, I think. They're perfect for fall, winter, and I love the colors. Very neutral. Okay, so this one's really pretty. I love the sleeves. Going up, keep going. I really like this. I think this one's like a super winner. I love the length. In the back, it covers almost all of my butt, so it wouldn't be perfectly good for leggings, but I like that it's long. So what do you guys think? Kind of like it. Of course, you know, it's like the best thing because I'm wearing the same pants. So this is the Natural Life top. Really nice. Now that I'm feeling it, like it's really soft. Love the color. Perfect for fall. Now we're already in December, so these colors are still winter. Really pretty. So let me try the other tops. Okay, so here's the cardigan. And I'm gonna go again. I'm with my PJs. And this is a cardigan. It's black, normal cardigan. It has pockets, which is really cool. This one is one of my favorites. It's super soft. I love the pads here. I think it gives them a really nice touch. And there's also like a seam at the back. It's long, which I like. You can wear with leggings. Not that I'm wearing a lot of leggings lately. Really, I'm not. But if I wanted to, I could. And I like the cut here. It's very pretty. I think it's one of the cutest ones. This one's probably a keeper. I really like it. I like that it's gray. Goes with a bunch of stuff. You can do it with color jeans. You know, with leggings. So now I have the pants on. Today, because it's the morning, I just had coffee. They fit a little better. I mean, the long top. I think I would, like, if I had to wear this right now, I would go a size up. Since I'm losing weight, I think I would get the same size if I was keeping it. So far, I love this one. And the leopard one, those are my favorite. The black cardigan is very functional too. Thank you so much for joining me on another video. This was Fashom. I'll leave a code down below. I believe if you use my link, you can get 20% off your whole purchase. And I will get 20% off as well, my future purchase. Thanks again for joining me, you guys. Let me know if you like these videos, if you like to keep me doing clothing subscriptions and styling services and try-ons. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!